Welcome to the gaming family. Today we'll be talking about how you can download and install the Friday Night Funkin game on your Windows PC. Begin by opening a browser and search for this site. Next, click on the first result that appears. Once you are on the site, use the search box at the top to search for Friday Night Funkin'. And then, after searching, you'll see many results. To download the original game, click on the one with 10,000 ratings. Next, scroll down the game page and click on the Download Now option. After that, a page will appear suggesting you support the developer with a contribution of $2, $5, or $10. If you prefer to download it for free, click No Thanks, just take me to the download. Choose PC download and it will start to download. And there you go. You can now enjoy playing Friday Night Funkin'. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.